Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, and today I'll show you how to replace the taillight bulbs. We'll be upgrading to LEDs this time, but the procedure is essentially the same. It's a pretty simple task, so let's get to it. The only tool I used was an electric screwdriver with a Phillips bit, but of course, a regular screwdriver will do. Each taillight lens is held in place with 2 Phillips screws. Remove both screws and pull the lens out, being careful not to drop it. Twist to remove the bulb housing from the lens. These bulbs don't twist, just pull them straight out. Insert the new bulb and turn on the lights to make sure it works. This one didn't turn on because LEDs only work one way and I must have put it in backwards. If you're installing halogen bulbs, it doesn't matter which way you put them in. You'll feel it click into place when it's in all the way. There we go. Now we can put everything back together and see how the LEDs compare to the halogen bulbs. This shot didn't turn out very good and makes it look like the lights are different colors, but when I was driving behind the Corvette the next day, I could barely tell that it had 2 different types of bulbs. I have more videos on upgrading the rest of the exterior lights to LEDs, so make sure to check those out. Don't forget to subscribe for more of the best Corvette DIY videos on the internet, and until next time, just keep throwing money at it.